Hey guys, it's Lex. I'm so ready to do this tutorial for you guys. It's using a lot of new products that we've just come out with, and I'm so stoked to share it with you guys. So stoked. I'm coming out of my skin right now just thinking about it. So if you would like to learn how to achieve this look along with all of the new products that I use to create it, keep watching. Let's do this. Let go. Alrighty, so first things first, foundation. I actually have a little bit of BB tinted primer on currently. I just threw a little bit on before I ran out of the house this morning. So that's kind of working as like a primer for my foundation. And I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Matte Foundation. That new, your girl's fave. I like to just kind of swipe this all over my face. And it has that amazing doe foot applicator, just like our Shape Tape concealer. Just a little bigger, so it makes it nice and easy to really just swipe it all over your face. And I'm going to be blending it out with the shaper. For my concealer, you already know what it is. Our Shape Tape concealer. And I'm going to be placing a little bit just underneath my eye area, down the bridge of my nose, and in any areas in which I got a little breakouts going on. Now I'm gonna blend it out. So I went ahead and blushed, bronzed, and highlighted off camera. I just wanted to get the ball rolling with this whole tutorial. So I figured I would just link those products down below for you guys. That way if you wanted to know what I used, you can check it down there. But moving on, to fill on my brows today, I'm using our Busy Gal Brow Gel. This is also brand spanking new. This is my go-to brow product and brow routine. I've been really digging the fluffy brows, and I don't really like to spend a lot of time on filling in my eyebrows, especially when I'm in a rush, and this is just everything for me. So I literally just brush it through my brows and they look legit filled in. Like it's amazing. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this is one brow unfilled, one filled. This brow product is just insane. That's why we call it the Busy Gal Brow. It's for all of you busy gals out there. This is for you. Look at them brows though. Prior to applying my shadow, I'm going to be using our Shape Tape eyeshadow primer. I just kind of like to apply it all over and then tap it in with my finger. Now for my eye look, I'm going to be using our new Maneater eyeshadow palette. Check out these killer shades inside of here. I feel like these are amazing wearable shades for every day or even for night. You can create so many looks with this palette, and I'm so looking forward to doing this look for you guys. So let's do this. Let's do it right now, right now, right now. And I'm going to start with a base shadow first. I'm gonna tap into Passion, and I'm just gonna place that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be tapping into the shade Purr, and I'm going to be using that in my crease just to set the tone for my eye look. You already know what it is. I just need to find my brush. Got it. I'm also going to take a little bit of Purr and place it along my lower lash line. I'm tapping into the shade Hypnotic, this really beautiful shimmer mauve shade, shimmery mauve shade, mauve shimmer shade, whatever you want to say. And I'm going to place that all over my lid and up into the crease. I'll blend that out a little bit. Just gonna take a little bit of Hypnotic and place that along my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with my shaper sponge just to clean up this edge right here. Now I'm going to take some of the shade Lace and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. It's a really nice shade right here. Thank you so much, Steph.
You're welcome so much, Lex.
Steph. Steph just brought me lunch. Gotta love her. Feeling hangry right now, so this is good. This is real good. I kind of want to create like a smoked out winged liner situation, so I'm going to tap into the shade Catcall right here. I'm using a nice angled brush to apply this because it just really makes it nice and precise and clean when it comes to creating a brow shadow, so yeah. Look at that. It almost looks like liquid liner or like penciled liner, but it's not. It's totally shadow. I did that. For my mascara, you already know I'm going to be using our Maneater mascara for this application. Lips, I'm going in with our glossy lip paint in the shade Double Tap. My favorite nudes, you know I love them nude lips. Well, here's the final look using all those products. I absolutely loved creating this look for you guys, and I'm so happy to be sharing with you all of this newness that just launched. It's always so exciting whenever we come out with all of these awesome products and they're like, Lex, do a tutorial with it. And I'm like, yes, give it to me. I love showing you guys all the new stuff that we come out with, and I love you guys watching my videos. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next vlog. Bye, tartlets.